Today I'll be unboxing some skates from Impala. I got the inline skates in the colorway Mint Flower Power. These are pretty new, I believe. The total came out to $163.44. So here's the box that the skates come in. I'm gonna put the name of the illustrator on the screen now. I believe this person also did the illustration for the roller skate box from Impala. My friends have those, and the box for that one is also super cute. So your skates are going to come with a warranty card, first of all, and also a manual, which includes a bunch of super cute illustrations and instructions for setting up your skates, and also installing the brake. It has some cute photographs in it, and is pretty useful if you're just starting out and don't know how to skate or how to get your skates ready for use. So now to unwrap the skates themselves. Here I am just testing the wheels, and this is what the skates look like. I love the pattern. I think that the colors are super cute and perfect for spring. And here I'll show you some details and close-ups of the skates themselves. The skates also come with a brake for one of the skates and a few tools. So it comes with an Allen wrench, a skate tool, and then the brake itself.